We'll make peanut chutney for the breakfast items like idli, dosa, puri, or you can say upma, or any other breakfast items of South Indian kind. So this is peanut chutney. The ingredients has been listed in this particular in the beginning of the recipe. Peanut 1 bowl, that is 100 gram, and half bowl is putnal or roasted peanut, roasted chana dal. We will take 15 ml of oil and will fry this peanut till it makes some noise like crackling. Until then, we should not stop it. And you will be able to see how beautifully it has cracked from the peanut. So that is the overall understanding of this peanut fry. So when it becomes like this dark color, we'll add the roasted chana dal. We'll just saute for some time, then we'll remove it in a plate so that it cools down completely, and then the magic starts with the grinding. So we'll put all this lentil and the peanut in a mixer grinder. We'll add some green chili for the spiciness, and we'll add tamarind 10 to 15 gram, salt to taste, little sugar, and we'll add some water and grind it to a fine paste. And it can be coarse paste also, that is not a problem at all. And we'll wash that container with the potable water and mix this with this chutney so that it is not lumpy, or it should be just in the saucy kind of consistency. And we'll do the tempering for this chutney, which is oil. We'll allow the oil to heat up. We'll add chana dal, then we'll add urad dal, chana dal, and red chili whole mustard seed, and we'll add some curry leaves as well. And we'll put this for the tempering of this particular chutney. I did not put the red chili whole here, but you can always do this tempering for any kind of breakfast chutney. So this way you have to make this wonderful tasty chutney. Please like, share, subscribe my channel with your friends and families. We'll meet again in another episode of new recipe. Bye bye for now.